Okay, so now it's time to start. Before y'all keep asking, the bonnet come from Ashbury and 8. Okay, so let's start with the cooking. Even though I'm cheating and using chopped seasoning for my food, for my pork steak, I still like to use onions because I want it cut a certain way when I saute it with my meat. So let's cut this first. So I like mine cut, you know, like this for my meat. Then I'm going to separate it. You know how you do. It's going to look like that. Now I'm about to season my meat. I added some butter to that pot. And I let it melt down a little. And I already done my rice. I did not cook that rice all the way. But it's almost done, but not all the way done because you're going to cook it down some more with the seasoning. That is my onions. Now I'm about to add the onions to this pot. My meat is ready. Now that's sizzling. Now I'm going to add my pork steaks right on top of the onions. Directly on top, baby. I am seasoning this meat with Cajun Nola from Chef Gourmet Seasoning. Baby, you must have this seasoning. It's not a game. You must have it. All that little onion flavor is just getting all up inside them chops, baby. Ooh, they're going to be so good. Now, if you want, you can cover this for a good 3-4 minutes. That's all, because then you got to... We're going to go back to it. It was only a few minutes. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Now you're going to flip this. Look at that, girl. Look at that. Jesus. Cover that right back up, baby. 3-4 minutes. That's all you need. Now we're going to start on this broccoli while we wait. Seasoning and filling the pot. Let me change this pot a little. Now, fresh spinach is so easy to make, y'all. It don't take no time. Little olive oil in that pan. Coat that pan. Coat that pan, baby. Coat the pan. Look at this right here. It's not playing over here. Cover that. 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. Add that minced garlic. I'm going to let that sizzle for a good 2 minutes. That's it. Just 2 minutes. Back to this right here. Jesus. Now we're going to go back to it. It was on. So we're going to take these out there because these is done. Put that to the bag. Put that to the bag. Stack it on top of each other so that heat can stay on them. Add the spinach. Before the spinach, let me add this while it's sizzling hot. Oh, what you doing? Biting a nigga booty. Now we gonna add this spinach to this pot, baby. You may think this is a lot of spinach, but it's not. It's gonna cook down so fast. Cover this back up. What you said?
I leave my bag this time.
Oh, good job. Good job. You weren't supposed to leave it. Now you are definitely supposed to rinse this spinach off before you put it in the pot, but I was moving too fast. But it's all right, baby. He gonna kill it. It ain't gonna hurt nobody. It ain't gonna hurt nobody. Let me bring this back over here. Look at this. That's the other 2 chops cooking. Seasoning right here is so simple. Salt and pepper. Bitch, it's spinach, not chicken. People just been doing the most with this spinach, girl. People been putting all type of seasoning in spinach. I understand you want to be soulful seasoning and all that. But baby, salt and pepper for spinach. That's all you need. I had to grind my pepper, so that's why you don't see pepper. Saute that spinach down. Philip, get out my face.
No.
I'm cooking. Get out my face.
I need it for my homework.
All right. When I'm finished cooking, get out my face. Look, they got a phone over there on the table. Please leave me alone. Thank you. Saute that spinach down, baby. Look over here. Flip this. Flip it. Flip that. Flip it. Then cover it right back up. Make sure it's nice and sauteed down. You don't want no crunchy spinach. This right here. Baby. This right here don't make no sense. You can smell it. Jesus. I'm going to flip this one more time. See how them onions, girl, caramelize. Caramelize, baby. Them onions. Cover it for a good 3 more minutes and then those done. Now I'm gonna separate these rolls. And I'm gonna put them in the oven once I start the rice. Cause it ain't gonna take no time to make this. No time to make the rice neither. Now I added the rest of that spinach because I on and start them rolls and pay attention. Now the spinach is done. This right here, we gonna put that meat to the bag. Yes. Put that meat to the bag. Now to this seasoning right here, I'm gonna add some more chopped seasoning. I'm going to saute that down. Oh, and I'm also going to add some Parmesan cheese to this spinach. Yes, ma'am. Cover that back up. Now this pan is turned off. I'm gonna cover it back up. You see that? Yes. Stir it a little more. Saute right. Ooh, so go ahead on and start them rolls. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add this rice to this right here. Right to this mix. It's already seasoned. Already got all the flavor. Add that rice. Then you're going to stir that rice. Add some parsley. Stir again. Stir, baby. Don't forget the bread. Don't forget the bread. Add a little more seasoning. It's right here. Stir again. Now what we gonna do? That rice is ready, baby. That rice is ready. Now look at the spinach. After that Parmesan cheese and settled and chilled. The bread is ready. So fucking aggravating.
I get mine.